Tony Robbins is one of the foremost experts in life coaching in the world today and has influenced thousands, if not millions, with his incredible body of work. He often preaches that when you're ready to make changes in life, you have to take massive action. But how do you actually follow through and do this in a productive way? Well, in this video we look at the steps of taking massive action in life. Number 1. Rapid planning method. To begin the process of creating your massive action plan or map, you need to first have the foundations in place to build it on. This means to first take the time to create a rapid planning method, or RPM for short, which is the process of asking some high-level questions to understand your reasoning for your choice. The questions are as follows. What do I really want? What's my purpose? What do I need to do? This will help you clarify when you're doing what you are doing, ensuring you're heading to a sense of fulfillment and putting yourself on the right path to achieve success. Number 2. What you want to achieve. The next step following the creation of your rapid planning method is to start with the process of delving deeper, beginning with writing down the results you want to achieve. By doing this exercise, you don't just identify what you want to achieve, but equally visualize the sense of how you'll be living your life. This might be what kind of house you live in, what kind of job you do, or what kind of car you have, and importantly, the people you spend your time with. In most of these cases, you'll find you're identifying the resources you need to live a fulfilled and satisfying life, not just one where you want things, but the reason of why you want them. Number 3. Write down your purpose. Following on from the step of identifying what you want to achieve, you need to take the next step, which is identifying what your purpose is. By writing down your purpose, which are all compelling reasons why you want to accomplish your goals, and appreciate your why in life. Precisely what format this takes is up to you, as it could be a high-level vision you want to achieve whereby you change the world for the better, or it could be much smaller and much more personal, such as raising a family and teaching values you think are important to your kids. Number 4. List your actions. Once you know what you want and why you want it, you need to develop a clear set of actions on how to achieve it by listing your actions. This process is to develop a sequence of priority actions, meaning you understand what will help you achieve your goals and prioritizing them in order of importance. For example, on YouTube, an obvious action is to create content, as if you have nothing to share, then there's no point in having a channel. This would then be followed by sharing your content. Understand how and where to share it to point it to the correct audience for your channel. Number 5. Create more massive action plans. It's not just about creating a massive action plan for you to achieve your goal, but then you need to repeat the process for various situations. This means creating more maps. For example, one for what you do in the circumstance of growth to help you keep pace with it. Alternatively, it would be to create maps for crisis or change, as by planning for unforeseen or unexpected circumstances, you set yourself up for all possibilities. So create a massive action plan as Tony would, and start working your way towards massive success. Are you ready to take massive action, and if so, what in? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.